forget just asking what's the weather, because Samsung's new Vision AI companion is here to make your TV the smartest brain in your house. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Launched with the 2025 Neo QLED, OLED, Micro LED, and lifestyle displays, this chatty screen blends the powers of Bixby, Microsoft Copilot, and Perplexity AI into one super assistant that can answer questions, translate shows in real time, and even plan your next dinner party. Watching a K-drama? Ask it to translate live. Curious where that beach scene was filmed? It'll tell you. Eyeing that pasta dish on screen? It'll pull up the recipe with complete step-by-step visuals. You don't even need to pause. The answers just slide in smoothly beside what you're watching. Samsung's secret is collaboration. The TV can chat naturally with multiple people at once, keeping up with context, tone, and even casual comments like, "Let's do a movie night Friday." The AI might just jump in with a lineup of suggestions. And it's not just a voice remote on steroids. Vision AI Companion behaves as a translator, planner, search engine, explainer, and recommendation guru, designed to turn your watching into full-blown conversation. Worried about privacy? Samsung says it's only listening when you press the button and comes with on-device learning to keep your info safe. But this TV really knows you. The future of home AI isn't in your phone or smart speaker. It's glowing right in front of you in the living room, and it just started talking back. Are you ready to be friends with your TV? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.